Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my hot cocoa box card. It's a little bit of a different design, but I love how there's the cup of hot cocoa there in the center, there's some Christmas cookies there in the front, the different foliage and holly in the background. It folds relatively flat for mailing, and there's a spot on the back for your message. Of course, there's an envelope as well. This card comes together really simply, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Holidays with the Housewife 2023. To make this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you'd like access to the entire event from 2023, including bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/HWTH23. I have links to both of these options in the description box below. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do some converting to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel, find the envelope, highlight the score lines, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the outside box piece, highlight the score lines, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, for the inside tab piece, highlight the score lines, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. So altogether, we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and then the inside tab piece. Once those have been converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is concentrate on the outside box piece. I'm going to take the piece and fold all the score lines so that they are facing towards me when they are all done. Go ahead and burnish those folds as well. just like that. Now while everything is flat, I'm going to go ahead and add the little berry embellishments. And the last thing for the outside box piece, I've added just a little bit of a different color to go over this little piece here, just to add a little bit more, texture and more dimension to it. Totally optional. All right, those are all set, so I'm going to set that to the side. We can go ahead and mat and layer our little messaging panel. Set that to the side as well. Now we can layer up the inside tab piece. Before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish the tabs on the inside tab piece. Alright, and now I'm just going to go ahead and layer up the inside tab piece. Now, I have included a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer everything together. Alright, there's our little cup of hot cocoa. I'll set that to the side. And now we can go ahead and layer up the front cover panel. And there we go. Now we can take our outside box piece and our inside tab piece. So I'm going to go ahead and add my glue to that left tab there. I'm going to line up the edge of the tab with the score line, making sure that everything is laying nice and flat. And now I'm going to add glue to that other tab and fold down on the outside box piece. And now I'm just going to go ahead and fold these back and forth. And now our tab piece is secure. I'm going to add glue to this left tab here for the front cover panel. And add that cover panel. I'm going to fold back the card. Add glue to the other tab. And attach the other side. And that completes our card. Flip the card over. We can add our messaging panel to the back of the card. And now it is all set. I'm going to set that to the side so that everything can dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope really quick. We're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take your inlay panel, add glue to the outer edge of the inlay. Place your inlay panel over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. You can add the card inside if you wish. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. And bring the bottom flap up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our hot cocoa box card is all set. How cute is this card? To me, it's super cute. Who doesn't like hot cocoa and cookies during Christmas time, right? I hope that you like this one. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye!